I have personally benefited from cannabis. To sum it up, it makes me feel normal in otherwise awkward situations. But I have also personally seen many sick people who've had their quality of life improved from consuming cannabis. I've used cannabis since the 80s, but it has changed my life drastically over the last 5 years. In the past, I used cannabis as a social component of my life. Now it's my business, it's my career, it's my job every day. I get to travel the country and see what's new in cannabis. I go to trade shows where the topic is cannabis. Not roofing or architecture, it's lectures from extractors and growers sharing their experiences to help other people out. I now own a head shop and I educate people every day about cannabis.